9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Line it up! Woo! Woohoo! Yes! So, woo! What? So, Luke, give us a little intro.
Welcome back to Swanage Carnival Fireworks. We're back for round 2.
Yep, we're back for round 2, people. So, this is the second round of the Swanage Carnival Fireworks.
Yes, it is.
Yes. Wow. Woohoo. Oh, here it comes. 2 big ones. Wow. Wow. You're just in time for the fireworks, Thomas. My goodness. These ones are big. Incredible. So let's do a full recap of the carnival, starting with Saturday, Luke.
So, Saturday we had the red arrows and in combination with the first round of the fireworks.
Sunday?
Sunday, there was the Swanage Carnival procession.
Wow!
Yeah.
And let's just say, based around circus, so
Yeah.
there was a lot of circus floats.
Then Monday and Tuesday was just, you know.
Just general carnival stuff.
And today?
Fireworks and me and my friends here's remix slots.
Yep.
Oh.
Wow.
Along with the second round of fireworks.
Yep. We're only in the middle of the carnival week, aren't we?
Yep.
Look at that. They are impressive. Woo! Wow! Wow! My goodness! These ones are pretty, you know, loud. Anyway, enough chatting. Let's get on with the show. So this fireworks display is in loving memory of the late Darcy Mayell. Yep. Wow. Oh, look at these. Oh, wow. Oh, look at these. Doesn't it feel like it's raining? Boys. Feels like it's raining. Oh. Oh. Woo. My goodness. Oh, I wonder when the whistling ones come. Really? Woohoo!
Yes.
It's like a combination. Woo! So we've only got 3 days left of this carnival week. I hope you two have enjoyed this week so far.
Yes, I have.
So, woo. Oh, I love these little ones.
Yeah, cool.
Oh man. Woo. All right, here we go. I wonder if the fireworks come out of the. Oh, wow! Wow! Incoming what? Oh. Woo! Yes! Woohoo! Oh. Oh. Man! Oh, yes! Here. Woo! Oh. All right, Thomas. Oh, I love the combination, Luke, of pink and oh, what's the colour?
Pink and white.
Oh, really? Pink and white?
Pink or silver.
Oh, yes. Wow.
Okay.
Woo! You don't drive like my grandmother.
What?
Sorry, sorry. It's just a bit of a pun. Sorry. Hey! 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 Love the pig! Woo! Wow! 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 I think that looks like it's like the same colour as a cherry blossom tree. Wow! Oh look at these little ones! Look at these ones! Look, it's bouncing the sound barrier. Can you hear it? It's like sounds like bouncing off from the fireworks. Wow! Wow! Oh, I didn't see that coming. Oh. Wow, look at that. Impressive, isn't it? Right, so what's next for these fireworks? Maybe the whistling ones or the ones that... Huh? Did I just see something? Oh, I think they're Hold on. Oh, yes! What are those spinning ones called? Are they like Catherine wheels? Yeah. They look like whistlers to me. Oh yes! Oh! Way! Oh. Yeah, look. Oh, watch this now. Oh! Woohoo! Yes! Oh! Olé! Hey! Woohoo! Woo! Wow! Dang! These ones look pretty cool!
Oh my god!
Wow! Get ready! Things are about to get really intense! Like the last one! Woo-hoo-hoo! Wow! Oh, look at this! We haven't seen this before! Dang! Oh! Here's more! Wow! Wow! Good as usual. Oh man! That is impressive. Wow! Woo! And the last one. Oh, is that it?